All right, Radiance of the Seas, 9568. We just got back from a full day in Juneau. We're still docked. We are just about to leave, but I want to do a room review with our roommate up. It is day, I think, 3, so we were due for it. So here is kind of your standard entryway. And here is like a corner closet. We have our stuff set up, and this is how we do it. Here is luggage everywhere, life jackets. Of course, you got room for coat hangers, which we've used. Yeah, some more life jackets. Then across from that is our bathroom. Pretty tight quarters. You know, pretty standard. Corner opens up if you need to store some stuff. Shower this way. Drying some stuff right now. But yeah, really small shower. Water's a little touchy. We just hang an organizer on the back. Kind of keep stuff organized for us pretty good. Let's see here. These open up in the desk area. Kind of give us some space. There's the ducts we've found so far. The outlets, we do bring some converters, and you know, we take full use out of the 2 other ones that we have, the 120s. Let's see here. Pull out, we got like some drawers there. I think one of these is, yep, for stationery. We got a mini cooler, not a fridge, but a cooler. And then here's the beds. Of course, one drops down from the ceiling, and then the couch folds out. Then we've got the king size here, and that is the Royal Caribbean blanket. It looks really good. I think Kara picked that out. And then, you know, of course, with everything being made out of metal, we can just attach hooks to the ceiling, to the walls. So that's what we do. It's kind of like my corner over there. I need to unload my backpack and dry some stuff off. It rained really early on, so all of our stuff got soaked. Then we kind of smushed some of this stuff to the side because we do a lot of standing out here. But man, it's hard to beat that. Of course, don't mind the shipping area, but man, what a cool place. It's beautiful. Did whale watching, hiked to the glacier, Mendenhall Glacier, Nugget Falls. It was really cool. I really enjoyed it. But this was a quick room tour for our small room. So we're going to dry our stuff out, pack up get our stuff ready tomorrow, and we will see you guys on the next one. See you around.